Clean the face and neck. Apply gel evenly to them. Launch the machine. Select Household, click Face Tightening, and press the Start button to operate it. RF and suction, 10 minutes. Move the device to the back of the ear along the lower jaw, and slide it to the neck side. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Set the suction per a client's tolerance. Move the instrument slowly from the chin to the part below the ear, corner of the mouth to the middle ear, and wing of the nose to the place above the ear, and the part under the eye to Taiyang, EXHN5. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Parameters are default and can be adjusted manually in line with a person's tolerance. The default mode for suction and release is M3. You can adjust the mode manually. The available modes are M1, constant suction. M2, shorter interval between suction and release. M3, short interval between suction and release. M4, long interval between suction and release. Lift the device from the brow ridge towards the hairline. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side. When RF and suction stops running, a prompting time of 30 seconds will appear, meaning it will enter the EMS and EL interface. When you see a red light flashing, please put RF and suction back on the rack and pick up EMS and EL. When the prompting time runs out, it automatically switches to the EMS and EL page, and you can start the operation. EMS and EL, 10 minutes. Move the device slowly to the back of the ear along the lower jaw. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Move the instrument slowly from the chin to the part below the ear, corner of the mouth to the middle ear, and wing of the nose to the place above the ear, and the part under the eye to Taiyang, EXHN5. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Lift the device from the brow ridge towards the hairline. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Parameters are default and can be set manually per individual tolerance. Do the same on the other side. When you see this interface, you finish the treatment. Remark: click this icon and enter the EMS and EL page ahead of time. Then press the Start button to use it. Clean the face. Apply a sheet mask and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the mask and clean the face. Apply toner, essence, and lotion or facial cream to it. Turn off the machine. Please clean the used handpieces with a wet towel. If the holes on RF and suction are blocked, fix it with a cotton bud. And then wipe out the water with a dry towel. The treatment takes 30 to 40 minutes, 1 to 2 times a week. 1. Wash your face with warm water. 2. Stay hydrated and moisturized and protect yourself from the sun. 3. Don't use skincare products containing scrub, exfoliant, AHA, alpha hydroxyl acid, etc. within 3 days. 4. Apply a sheet mask 3 times a week. Recommended treatment course. Please take the procedure 1 to 2 times a week. Your skin will turn firm, moisturized, and shiny 1 month later. After 2 months, the skin becomes smooth and plump, your facial contour gets clearer, and fine lines are flattened. You can achieve the best outcomes when sticking to it for 3 months. Your face will be lifted, tightened, and become plumper, wrinkles and smile lines are relieved, and the facial contour improves further.